everyone, my name is Wen Chuguan. I'm 7 years old. I learn class 2A0 at Henry Store from my school. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a paperback puppet with an emotion. I will make a frog, but you can make the other things that you want. To make that paperback puppet, we need scissors, markers, tape, paper, and the important crayons. So let's make it. First thing first, you take one of the paper, then you will draw the eyes. You will use black or some colors that is very dark to draw the eyes. Then we're gonna cut it out. Then we use tape to stick it to this bag. Okay, so then we're gonna draw the legs and the hands. First, I will show you how to draw the legs. The legs, we will use another paper to draw the shapes of the legs. Then we're gonna use green to color it. Then we're gonna make the others leg. Then we're gonna cut it out. Then yes, stick it to the bag. Then the hands. The hands, you draw the hands, use green too. Cut it out, stick it here. And if you want silly, you need a tongue. So it's gonna be like this, right? So let's draw this tongue. We're gonna make the shape of the tongue, then cut it out, stick it to the after of the back. It would have a fold in here. If your bag has some letters on it, use paper, another paper. Then you're gonna draw a circle or an oval to decorate the letters. Then we're gonna cut it out, color the color you want, then stick it to here. And then if you want to draw something, just draw it. And then we finish the puppet. Now I'm gonna talk about my puppet. My puppet is a frog. His name is Sammy. He has 2 hands and 2 legs. He has a tummy. He is very silly because he is very funny when he sees me. So that is about my puppet. Thanks for listening. Goodbye.